stop guessing on why one of your Pixel Buds is significantly quieter. This is exactly how you restore the volume balance without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing, but here at Rex's we know it is usually a mesh clog or an absolute volume sync error. Before you file a warranty claim, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck with uneven audio forever. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so your sound stays centered. The problem is that the tiny speaker holes, the snout, are incredibly sensitive. Even a microscopic amount of earwax creates an airtight seal that kills the volume. This is the authority fix from Rex's that guarantees your audio recovery. You might think it's a blown speaker, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is using a soft toothbrush to vibrate debris out of the mesh instead of pushing it in. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of full stereo sound is seconds away. First, remove the silicone tip and use a dry, soft toothbrush to gently brush the metal mesh in circular motions for 30 seconds. Next, go to Settings, System, Developer Options, and toggle Disable Absolute Volume to On, then back off, to reset the Bluetooth power levels. Finally, if the balance is still off, go to Settings, Connected Devices, Pixel Bud Settings, Sound, and adjust the volume balance slider back to the center. The Pixel Bud Audio Repair Matrix Step Action required physical clean brush the mesh snout with a dry toothbrush system, reset toggle, disable absolute volume. In Developer Options Balance, check center the volume balance slider in Bud Settings hard, reset hold the case button for 30 seconds until it blinks white export to sheets. If you follow me exactly, your Pixel Buds are now perfectly balanced. Would you like me to show you the secret to spatial audio so your movies sound like a full theater on your Pixel 10 Pro?